What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Switching Gears channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're returning, thanks for coming back. Alright, y'all, so this video isn't starting the way I wanted it to, but I installed the Crossthread floorboards and pegs onto my bike recently. The floorboard portion of the install magically disappeared. This seems to be happening a lot with this camera. I don't know if I need to start looking into a new camera or what, but I digress. But anyways, I still have some of the install footage, so I'm gonna go ahead and roll that now. Are all caught up, we're gonna go ahead and install the Crossthread brake lever and the Crossthread floorboard extenders. Let's get to it. Alright, now that this and this is done, let's head over to the bike and start putting this stuff on and taking the old stuff off. Alright, so I'm not going to lie, that was a bit of a pain and very hard to get a good camera angle, so I had to cut the camera and kind of set everything up, but I'll explain to you exactly what happened. Alright, so in order to remove the old arm, there's this pin that's right here and a cottering pin behind that. You're going to need to remove both of these before you go ahead and install this new arm in. Reinstalling it is where it got a little bit tricky. I kind of had to finagle it into there and then get a pair of long needle nose pliers in order to bend the cottering pin back on there. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and tighten everything down and put the new arm on, and then put these floorboard extensions on. So no, I did not tighten these down all the way just yet. I'm going to go ahead and wait until I have the floorboard on and situated. That way I can make sure this arm's in a place that I want it, and then I'm going to go ahead and tighten these down. Before we tighten everything down, we're going to go ahead and make sure that the brake lights are properly working. Alright, everything works. Let's tighten everything down and get the other side spacers on. Alright y'all, that does it for this video. What can I say? I'm getting a little out of control with all this red butt.
I like it.
Also, don't forget March 14th through the 17th, 2024, Forgotten Angels campout's going on. Make sure you go ahead and check that out. I'll have the link in the description down below. Alright y'all, thanks for tuning into another video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And hit that alert notification button. Now we can be reminded of what's going on here at the Switching Gears channel. See you on the next one, guys.